Right now I'm going to show you how to put together the Hoover SmartWash Plus. Now you're going to get a bunch of stuff in the box with it. So you've got a goodie bag here with your hose. You got some different attachments. We're not going to worry about everything right now. We're just going to put the machine together before we use it. So you've got a couple different tanks here. You've got the handle and then you've got the nozzle cover. So first let's start with the handle. Okay, so get behind the machine here. You've got the handle. Now on the back of the handle, it does have a little push pin here, and that's going to pop out and lock into this hole right here. So here at the top, really super simple, push the handle in to where the push pin is facing you, and then you're simply just going to push down on the handle. Push down until that push pin pops out. It'll get locked in this hole right here, and then the handle is there locked in position now. You can remove it later, so there's the push pin there. So if you ever need to remove the handle, you can push that pin in using a screwdriver or a pin or something, just something small enough to get in there. You push that pin in, and then you can lift up on the handle and remove it later. Now we have our solution tank here. So this is going to be where you put all your cleaning solution. It does have a cap here. So the cap here just has these little tabs of plastic. You just need to line those up with the solution tank. You can put it on and then you can twist it to lock it in place. All right, so here's the solution tank. On the back here, we are just going to line it up and push it down in place, and then it rests inside there. So you can push down firmly, but it doesn't click or lock into place. You can just pull it right out when you're all done and you need to fill it up again. Now there are these little tabs of plastic in here. You see those little tabs there. They don't lock or anything, but they kind of push in. And so they do provide a little bit of resistance, but again, it doesn't lock or latch into place or anything. Now we've got the clean water tank that goes on top of the machine here. Now if you noticed here, it's got these little wings of plastic right here. And then on the back of the clean water tank, it's got these two little grooves here. So you just need to make sure that those line up, and then you can slide it down in place. And again, it doesn't lock or latch or anything, but those little pieces of plastic need to line up. Then you can slide it down, push it down, and that's in place. And now we'll put on the nozzle cover. So a couple things of note here. You've got this little tab of plastic here, and then you've got these tabs here as well. So you've got 4 little tabs of plastic that are sticking out. And then here you've got the kind of shape that matches this tab of plastic. So these need to rest inside here. And so you just need to line it up to where you can push it down. Now these tabs of plastic, sometimes they'll get over the frame here, so just make sure to pull it back a little bit until you can push everything down, and then it all kind of lines up in place there. And once it's in place, you can actually push it forward to where it slides up and it becomes flush here, and then this piece here will actually lock and latch onto the actual frame here. So now it's locked into place, and then to remove it, you're going to pull up on this, and then it will pull out here, and then you can pull it up. So it's kind of a, you set it down, you push it in, and then you lock it in place. And that's it. That's how you put the machine together. Now I do have a complete tutorial on how to use the machine if you want to watch that video next.